Good morning, students. Today's topic is image formation by spherical mirrors. Okay, in the last video, we have discussed about what is spherical mirror, types of spherical mirrors, and some important terms related spherical mirrors like pole of the mirror, center of curvature, radius of curvature, focus of spherical mirror, focal length of spherical mirror, aperture of spherical mirrors, uh, principal focus of convex and concave mirror. Okay, these already we have discussed. So today we will discuss image formation by spherical mirrors. Okay, there are two ways to find the nature of image, to find the size of image. Okay, to find the image distance. There are two ways. First is by performing the activity. Okay, by performing activity or by demonstration. And second, by using ray diagram. Okay, by using ray diagram you can also find the nature of image, size of image. Okay, and this second method means second way, ray diagram, in the next video I will explain. Okay, and definitely I promise you with the help of ray diagrams you can easily understand. Okay, and for today's only first method we are going to discuss, that is activity 10.3. okay, in first method na I will give some idea so that you can understand what is given in activity 10.3. okay, now I'll start. You have studied about the image formation by plane mirror. You may also know the nature, position and relative size of the images formed by them, means plane mirror. Okay, the size of the image formed in plane mirror, that is same size. Okay, if the object is 10 meter, then the image of object it will be 10 meter in the plane mirror. We are talking about plane mirror. Okay, and the position, it is at the same distance as the object. For example, if the object is 10 meter from the plane mirror, then its image will be formed 10 meter behind the mirror. Okay, that is clear. Now nature of the image. Okay, in second point I have told the image is formed behind the mirror, so you cannot obtain on the screen. So the nature of the image formed by plane mirror, that is virtual. virtual, virtual image. These are the properties of image formed by plane mirror. Okay, one more time I just explain this. You have studied about the image formation by plane mirror. Okay, in plane mirror the nature of image is virtual. Okay, virtual means we cannot get the image on the paper. Okay, like suppose this is a candle. Okay, and there is a plane mirror like this. So, and if we are using a paper sheet here, then we cannot get the image of this flame on this paper. Means it is not formed in front of the mirror, it is from behind the mirror. That's why it is virtual. Okay, if the image is formed behind the mirror, then it will always be virtual image. So in plane mirror the nature of image, that is virtual. First thing is clear, virtual image. Position, the distance of image is same as the distance of object. Suppose A is the object, like object A, then its image will be formed at the same distance, means this is object distance and this is image distance. These distances are same. Okay, object distance u and image distance v. Suppose it is 10 meter, then it will be 10 meter. And third point, the size, relative size formed by this means same size, same distance and virtual image behind the mirrors. Okay, this is about the plane mirror. Now how about the images formed by spherical mirrors? Okay, now we are going to discuss the images formed by spherical mirrors. Okay, again I am telling there are two methods to find the nature of the image. First is the practical method and second one ray diagram. Ray diagram we will discuss in the next video, and in today's video I will give some basic ideas that what is given in the activity 10.3. Okay, how can we locate the image formed by a concave mirror? Because spherical mirrors we generally divide it into two parts, concave and convex. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Then how is the image formed in concave and convex mirror? That is our topic. How can we locate the image formed by a concave mirror for different position? Okay, here it is there is a word different position of the object. Is the image same, nature of the image is same or different? Okay, what does it mean? How can we locate the image formed by a concave mirror? Suppose this is a concave mirror. Okay beta, and this is pole, already discussed in the previous video. Pole is the midpoint of the reflecting surface of concave and convex mirror. Okay, and this is, suppose this is a part of sphere and this is the center. This center is called C, center of curvature. Okay, why I am making this this diagram, why I am telling these terms? Okay, you see, then you will understand. This is pole, center of curvature, and this is radius, means r. Okay, suppose there are the parallel lines and they meet at a point. This is the focus, capital F, and this is focal length. Now what is given, and this is principal axis if we extend the line. Okay, now how can we locate the image formed by a concave mirror? This is concave mirror for different position, means if the candle, suppose the candle is placed on C, center of curvature, then where is the image formed? What is the size of image? Is it virtual, real? We have to find. Okay, different position means we just repeat this activity for so many times. First we place the object like at infinity distance. Okay, then between infinity to C, here we just put the candle, then at C, then at between P and C, then at F, then between P and F. Means you can see here these are the candles na. One by one we just change the position of candle to identify the nature of the image, to identify the size of image. Okay, whether the size or the nature is same or different. Okay, this is our topic. This is given in activity 10.3. Hope you understand. Okay, now are the image real or virtual? Okay, the image formed by concave mirror for different position of the object, are the image real or virtual? Are they enlarged? Enlarged means big size, okay, and diminished means small size, or have the same size. We are just discussing. Okay, if we change the position, then image will be enlarged, small, real, virtual, same size, different size. Activity 10.3. You have already learned a way of determining the focal length of concave mirror in activity 10.2. Okay, in activity 10.2, how can we determine the focal length of concave mirror? And first, you know focal length. What is focal length? Suppose this is concave mirror. Okay, when these two parallel lines fall on the reflecting surface, then they meet at a point, and this point is called focus, and the distance between focus and the pole, this distance is called focal length. Okay, now the question is how what is the way of determining the focal length. Okay, already in activity 10.2 you have seen that the sharp bright spot of light you got on the paper is its focal length or is the image of the sun. What does it mean? It means that suppose you take a concave mirror in activity 10.2. Okay, this is activity 10.3. The previous activity 10.2, you can check the activity. Like there is a sun. Okay, from sun parallel lines are coming, and then after reflection, suppose they meet at a point. Sorry, they meet at a point. This is the point. Okay, this point you get on a paper. So this is the distance, like this is called focal length. Okay, so first you find the focal length of the concave mirror. Okay, you got the approximate focal length of the concave mirror by measuring the distance of the image from the mirror. Like this is the mirror, and here image is formed. Just you measure this distance. Okay, this is focal length. Okay, and don't worry, if you have concave mirror na, actually in science lab you can see there are so many concave mirrors are there, convex mirror also there, and the paper in which the concave mirrors na, on this paper it is already written that is 10 centimeter focal length, 20 centimeter focal length. Okay, so if you want to do this activity without measuring the focal length, you can also do. Okay, but you should know the focal length, because if you know the focal length, then you can find the actual distance, or you can correlate with radius also. Okay, now what I am telling, if you are not having, if you don't want to measure the focal length, then you can take concave mirror from science department. You can ask your teacher to see you. Okay, in the paper na, that on the paper in which the concave mirror are kept, on that paper it is already written that 10 centimeter focal length, 20 centimeter focal length, 15 centimeter focal length. Okay, there you can take this. Now take a concave mirror. Suppose this is a concave mirror. Okay beta, find out its focal length. Suppose this is pole and this is principal F focus. Okay, and suppose this is the focal length 10 centimeter. Let it be 10 centimeter focal length. Okay, note down the value of focal length. I have written 10 centimeter. You can also find it out by obtaining image of a distant object on a sheet of paper. You have two options. Either you find it by using the image of distant object, or you can take this concave mirror from science department, from science lab. You can know the its focal length. Now mark the line on the table with a chalk. Like place the concave mirror on a stand. Like this, you just place suppose this is a table like this. You place a concave mirror like this. Okay, or in simple words I just tell you, you just take a concave mirror and mark a line on the table like this. Place the stand over the line such that pole lies over the line. Like this is the pole na, so you mark this line because this is the principal axis. This is principal axis. What is principal axis? The line passing from pole and center of curvature. It extends both the sides. That is called principal axis. Now draw with chalks two lines parallel to the previous line. Like this. The red line, this is previous line, and like two lines you draw parallel. Okay, like this. Now such that the distance between two successive lines is equal. The distance is same. For a spherical mirror of small these lines will now correspond to the position of the points P, F and C. Again I am telling, draw with a chalk two more lines present to the previous line such that the distance between two successive lines is equal to the focal length of the mirror. Okay, this is not, wait better, I just again make this like this. You understand that, like this is pole and this is principal axis. principal focus. Okay, now mark two lines. Suppose this is one line and this is another line. This is center of curvature. Now you will get P, F and C. P, F and C, because this is focus, this is focal length and this is radius. It is twice, है ना? If it is 10, then the full distance from P to C, it will be 20, because R is equal to 2F. Okay, now keep a bright object, say a burning candle, beyond C. Okay, beyond C, I again, because I am using the screen recorder na, that's why it will be difficult for me to draw again, to erase it. So like this is P, this is F, this is C. Okay, you just place a candle here beyond C. Beyond C means C से पीछे, beyond C, C से पीछे. Okay, beyond C, place a paper screen and move it in front of the mirror, so you will obtain a sharp bright image of the candle. Okay, on it observe the image carefully. Now note down its nature, position and relative size, because I am telling you student ki first method today we will discuss in this video, and the next method, ray diagrams, tomorrow I will make a separate video, and with this video we don't need any concave mirror, simply just draw the screen and I can explain. So this na, I need concave mirror and I need the apparatus, so I can show the, but I don't have these apparatus, so I just orally I explain this. Okay, what is the question? Like this is the this you place the object. First you place it at infinity, suppose this is infinity, then you will get the image or bright spot on focus. Now what is the nature? First thing, what is the nature? What is the nature of image? It is point size. Position, it is the image is obtained on focus, and relative size, it is point size, highly diminished. Okay, now if you place it beyond C, like this, beyond C, okay, then the image is formed between F and C, like this. Okay, nature of image, it is real, because it is formed in front, like this. If the image from this side image is formed, then it will be real, because you can obtain this image on the screen. So nature, if you place the object on beyond C, then you can see here it is small size, it is inverted means ulta. Okay, and position, it is formed between F and C, and relative size, it is small size or diminish. Okay, now the third point is what? Like this, P, here F, here C. Now you place the candle on C. Okay, then what you observe it? Okay, you observe that the same size image is formed on C, like this, but it is inverted, it is real and same size. Okay, 3 points you should remember. And where it is formed? It is formed on C. 4 points. Okay, inverted image, real image, okay, same size, and it is formed on C. Now for different position, I is making P, F, C. Now you place the candle between F and C. Now you see like this, the image is formed beyond C, and it is enlarged image, real image, enlarged image, inverted image, and it is formed beyond C. Okay, 4 points are there. Real image means we can obtain, if the image is inverted, then it always real. Okay, so real image, inverted image, large size image. Then you place the candle on F. This is P, this is F. Okay, you just place the candle here, then you will see these two parallel lines. Okay, or we are not talking about the ray diagram, so I should not draw the lines. This ray is, I like this explain. Wait. like this is P, this is F. You place the candle light on F, then very big size, enlarged image is formed. Okay, beyond C, it very enlarged image means enlarged image, real image, inverted image, and beyond C. Okay, beta. Or infinity, it meets at infinity. You can write infinity also here. And for the last point, now it is last point, P and F. Okay, now you place the object between P and F. Now you see the image is formed enlarged and erect. This is important point, beta. Okay, last 2 points are important. So if you place the object between P and F, the image is formed behind the mirror. It is erect image. Erect means beta seedha image. Erect means seedha image. You can see in the picture. Erect image, enlarged image. Now it is virtual image. Now it is virtual because erect image is always virtual. Okay, erect image is always virtual and it is formed behind the mirror. So for different position I explain this. This points I cover. Okay, just beyond C, at C, between F and C, at F, between P and F. Now what type of questions in exam, like what is the nature of image if you place it just beyond C, then your answer will be it is diminished inverted real image and formed between F and C. When you place at C, then the size of image same, real image, and form on C and inverted image. Okay, like this. Okay, here table is also given. You can see in the table like this. When you place the object at infinity, then position of the image is formed on at F. What I told you, like this. P, F, and like infinity, this is C. Infinity, if you place the object, then its image is formed. The red dot is the image. Okay, the red dot is the image, like this. So at the focus it is formed. Highly diminished means point size. You can see here point size. This is real image because it is formed in front of the mirror and it is inverted. Don't confuse here because the image is point size na. If you are thinking that if it is point size, then how can we know that it is inverted or erect? So it is inverted because it is formed in front of the mirror. Anytime if it is formed in front of the mirror, it will be inverted image. Like this. Already I explained these things na. I just summarize. Yeah, this is P, this is F. Like this last point we already discussed. If the candle is placed between F and C, then you see image is formed behind the mirror. Like here it is formed. Okay, beta. It is enlarged. You can see the size. It is bigger than object, and it is virtual because it is formed behind the mirror, and it is erect image, seedhi image. Okay, beta. So this is first in 10.3 we discussed, and in the next video na, don't worry beta, I will explain in detail how you can make the ray diagrams, and this is very important. Okay beta. So in next video I will explain you some basic rules and about the ray diagrams we will discuss. आपको कोई डाउट है बेटा तो मुझे बताइएगा, और बिकॉज अभी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो 10 स्टूडेंट्स वीडियोस देखते हैं, तो आप यदि कमेंट करोगे, ओके, आप अपना डाउट शेयर करोगे, तो मेरे लिए पॉसिबल भी है कि मैं आपको रिप्लाई कर पाऊँ. तो आप मुझे कमेंट कीजिए, आप मुझे अपना डाउट्स बताइए कि सर हमें ये चीज़ समझ नहीं आया, आप इसको एक्सप्लेन कीजिए प्लीज़, या कुछ मुझसे मिस हो जाता है, मैं कुछ बता नहीं पाता, कुछ मुझसे मिस हो जाता है, तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे बताइएगा कि सर ये पॉइंट मिस हो गया है, आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा. तो मैं आपका नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वो चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा बेटा, और आपको जो कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज़ मुझे शेयर कीजिए, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. ओके, बिकॉज टुडे जो टॉपिक था वो एक्सपेरिमेंट में आपको दिखाता तभी वो पॉसिबल होता, बट मेरे पास अभी ऑपरेटर्स थे नहीं, तो मैंने आपको बेसिक आइडिया आपको दिया. ओके, बट जो कल का जो वीडियो होगा बहुत अच्छा होगा, आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा. Okay beta, thank you.